Introduction to VMware vSAN. VMware vSAN is a software-defined storage SDS solution that enables organizations to create a highly scalable, high-performance storage infrastructure directly integrated with VMware vSphere. Unlike traditional storage solutions that require separate SAN or NAS hardware, vSAN uses direct attached storage DAS from ESXi hosts, pooling resources into a single shared storage pool. This architecture simplifies management, improves efficiency, and reduces costs while delivering enterprise-grade performance. One of the key advantages of vSAN is its ability to provide hyperconverged infrastructure, HCI, by combining compute, storage, and networking in a single software-defined platform. vSAN allows IT teams to dynamically allocate storage resources, ensuring that workloads receive the necessary capacity and performance without over-provisioning. It also supports hybrid and all-flash storage configurations, enabling businesses to optimize their environments based on their workload requirements. VMware vSAN integrates natively with VMware vSphere, providing seamless operations and eliminating the complexity of external storage arrays. It offers advanced data services, including deduplication, compression, and encryption, to enhance storage efficiency and security. Additionally, vSAN supports stretched clusters, allowing organizations to implement disaster recovery and high-availability solutions with minimal downtime. vSAN is widely used in various enterprise and cloud environments, including virtual desktop infrastructure, VDI, databases, and containerized applications. By simplifying storage management, reducing hardware dependencies, and offering scalability on demand, VMware vSAN plays a crucial role in modern data center and multi-cloud strategies. In the next lesson, we'll explore how to deploy and configure VMware vSAN for high-performance workloads. Let's get started.